welcome back to my channel. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Tommie, and today we're going to be doing an episode of Cooking with Tommie. We're going to be making a buffalo cauliflower, which is like a vegan chicken wing. It's supposed to look like, air quotes on chicken wing, you know, like boneless buffalo wings. Yeah, we're going to try that. It doesn't take that many ingredients to make this. So for starters, you're going to need the cauliflower to make this. So I just bought a head of cauliflower from Walmart, 3/4 cup of milk, a teaspoon of paprika. You're going to need a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 3/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Also gonna need half a cup of hot sauce, but I decided to use buffalo wing sauce, you know, French. Also, I preheat my oven to 450 degrees. So I had to mix this up really good, and you should have something that looks like this. Okay guys, so what I have done now is I've put the cauliflower in the first mixture onto some parchment paper on a baking pan. I don't know if they need to be like spread out, but I tried to like coat them all sort of evenly and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put these in the oven at 450 degrees for 20 minutes. Putting them in the oven right now. Ooh, very warm in here. I invited over Kaleria and Kanisha, and they're gonna taste test it when it's done. So now it's in the oven. Let me put the timer on 20 minutes. Y'all, so they're done now. So this is just, you know, they look very hot wing-ish, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, let me zoom in because y'all can see better what I'm talking about. See there? Ooh, ooh. They look very hot wingish.
Stop eating.
Dang, nobody eating and we want to eat ours.
Eat it. Oh, we can eat now?
Yes. You just told me not to eat.
I just said, okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm trying to find a good piece. Is it hot?
It's warm.
Where's your hot? They taste like broccoli.
Well, they're cousins.
Yeah, they are kind of cousins.
Duh!
Give me a
So
plate.
you don't like it?
Give me a plate.
Well, I eat everything else, ma'am.
No, you don't.
That's what I do. Why you lying?
I like it. It's not. It's just the flavor's good on it.
The flavor tastes good, but I don't like the squishy part. I think by itself, that's why I don't like it. I feel like you could eat it with chicken or something, like a chicken dish or something.
But it's supposed to substitute chicken.
You can put it on a salad.
Yeah. That's what I was like.
Like if you want to make like a buffalo salad, and if you don't eat meat, you can use that.
For what it is, I like it, but
yeah, it's not too overpowering of anything. You know, it's a little hot because it's got the buffalo sauce on it, but other than that, I like it. But if you want to like add something to it to like make it a full meal because it substitutes chicken, I would say you know, put like some romaine lettuce with it or spinach and cook it with it.
We have 2 yeses and a no.
Or that's only because it tastes like broccoli.
I don't really feel like broccoli, but I can taste the essence of the cauliflower.
Can't really taste it because my mouth's on fire.
Yeah, so my mouth hot though, so it's kind of like it's really at the back. So we have got more in-depth information on Kanisha's answer. And she had stated that it wasn't that it was cauliflower, it was that it was actually when she bit into it that there was a mush. So if there was more of a crunch to the cauliflower, she would have liked it more.
Like potato chips.
Like a potato chip crunch, she says. Maybe if the cauliflower had not previously been refrigerated, that we could have gotten a more crunch. You know, if it was just like a fresh cauliflower versus a refrigerated cauliflower. But I'm really not sure, so I have to research that. So if you guys have ever made buffalo cauliflower before, then let me know your results. You know, did you get that crunch, or what were your thoughts on that? And yeah, this has been another episode of Cooking with Tommie. So, man, find you somewhere to go.
All right. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching us eat buffalo cauliflower. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You'll feel me. And you know, if you like my girl Tommie, who look at it. Ah, that's my friend. Wait, one more time. Is she cool? She's so cool. Anyway, if you like her little personality, like her little cooking stuff, and any of her other vlogs, and subscribe. Like, I mean, I subscribe. Look, if I can do it, you can do it too. Comment. Let us know what you think. But other than that, we'll see y'all next time, right?
Bye.
Bye. You gonna tell her about it?
Oh, that's what a plant.
Doesn't.
Bye.